How to set the keyboard backspace speed to slow, normal, or fast on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. Then tap on Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now scroll down. Then we tap on Swipe, Touch, and Feedback. From here, tap on Backspace Speed. Then from the list, you can choose slow, normal, or fast. Select one of the options. Then tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.